Hey everybody, welcome to Cakes World. Today we're going to cook homestyle chicken and corn. And so this is kind of an experiment. I haven't done this in the Instant Pot yet. Usually I do this on the stove. So we're going to go ahead and push a sauté on our Instant Pot. I'm going to put a few sprays of, I can't believe it's not butter, because real butter's not in our health plan. And so the ingredients are chicken, and the original recipe calls for chicken pieces, but again, we're watching what we eat, so we're using chicken breasts that I've cut up. It includes corn, potatoes, and onion, and then the spices. So the first thing we're going to do is add the chicken, brown it just slightly. Just going to toss our cubed chicken into the Instant Pot. And again, it's on the saute mode. All right, so we have our chicken in there. We're going to go ahead and add our onions as well. Onions are always good, especially with some chicken. All right, so we've got a good saute for our chicken and our onions, and we've added some seasoned salt, and we're gonna add some pepper. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add in our potatoes, and the potatoes are, I went ahead and kept the peels on them. It kind of helps them stay together a little bit better. And our frozen corn. The cool thing about this recipe is that it's scalable. So for as much or as few as you need. Today not everybody's here, so we're only doing like 6 pieces of corn and like 4 potatoes, and I've got 2 chicken breasts in here. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our cup of liquid. You can't pressure cook without the liquid. Put our lid on, turn it to sealing, and then we're going to do pressure cook, and we're going to do 10 minutes. All right, so we'll be back when this is all ready to go to be released. Okay, we're back. We've let it complete its cook cycle, and we did a natural release for 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and release the pressure. Okay, and our pin has dropped. Y'all, this looks fabulous. It smells fabulous. So we've got our corn. Our potatoes and our chicken. Everything's not out of the pot yet, but I'll give you an idea. And look at how delicious that looks. Again, this is a quick weeknight meal, and tasty, one that my family loves. Hope you guys enjoy.